So I couldn't even spell my father's name. And his teachers used to speak in English, like a very fluent English. It was a very hard time for me to understand. Though hello everyone, so I'm back with another video, and for today's video I'm gonna talk about the struggles which I had growing up as a teenager and in my school life. So apparently I was not a very good kid and I was not at all good in studies. I was very average student, getting like 70, 75 around percentage. So that was me. And back in when I was 10 years old, then I came into a different school. In this school, people were far, ahead than me in all sort of way, because teachers used to speak in English, like a very fluent English. It was a very hard time for me to understand, though I belong to English medium, but that school was not so good. So I had to change, and I had to be here. And I remember saying photo. So, I instead of saying photo, I said photo in my class, and my school classmates started laughing, and I didn't know what was going on, so even I started laughing with them. And later on I understood that I was dumbass there. And eventually the days passed on, and when I had to communicate with teachers, it was very hard. And I never liked to go to school when I was like 9-10 years old. I wanted to go home because I was not feeling good in school. So I went to this teacher and I told her that, teacher, my kidney pain, I go home. So she was like, what? Then I was like, hey, my kidneys, paining. And then she was like, how do you know your kidney is there? I actually wanted to say that my stomach is paining, I have a stomachache and I have to go home. And then she was like, go sit on the bench and don't come here, Pooja. And it was very hard time for me. And then later on I realized that I was very bad in English, and I used to say island to Ireland. And like if I had to be introduced in the class, and even if someone asked my name, like what is your good name, I used to ask them again what you're speaking, because I didn't even know that they are asking me a simple question, what is my name. So that was very hard, and I have been with I've gone through a lot of humiliation over the years. The class teachers asked me to stand up and read. I was the last person. I used to hide my face anywhere I could, so that these people don't notice me and then make me stand and talk to read in the class. So that was horrible. That was me. And some people helped me along way, like my tuition teacher. I remember she helped me a lot, and she was the only lady who helped me through this. And later on I realized that if I have to do something, I have to do it by my own. So that humiliation actually gave me a kind of motivation, I can say, that Pooja, you have to do something because this is not happening. So I started reading books, and I remember buying a book from Station, Chetan Bhagat, Two States. You must have heard about it. I was not knowing anything about books, and those days Chetan Bhagat was one of the famous writers. I actually used to watch the movies and then read the book, because I could barely understand anything what is written in English. So that was me. Like I did that for 4 or 5 movies and books. Then when I was like kind of thorough with the Hindi authors, then I went to American authors, and then I felt like, yeah, I can read it. At least if I was not understanding those lines, I used to read again and again. I didn't understand the words which were written. I used to Google them out, write it, by heart it, whatever you say, I did it. So back in 2010 to 15, it was like you have to, English movies. Baby was the first song which I heard of Justin Bieber, and I kind of liked it, though I never understood the lyrics. So that was my journey, and I think I have came like a little far away from that part, like where I used to shiver actually. Like I remember I was not even knowing my father's spelling. The word, like Naren Pratap Singh is my father's name. So I couldn't even spell my father's name. And then, life lesson happens because you can learn something out of it. That was my lesson to you guys. If you're struggling somewhere, just know that you're gonna get out of it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.